Verbs in Japanese. Verbs are doushi. If we break down the two kanji characters, it actually tells a neat story about what a verb does. Do means move, or motion, shi means word, or part of speech. So, literally translated, a verb in Japanese is a motion word. Doushi are divided into three groups. Group 1 verbs. These end in sounds like u, ku, su, mu, ru. Group 2 verbs. These usually ends in like iru or eru. Group 3 verbs. There are only two, suru and kuru. Let's look at the example. Au ends in u. Iku ends in ku. Hanasu ends in su. Nomu ends in mu. And tsukuru ends in ru. On the next group, it ends in iru or eru like tabaru and miru. And lastly, there are only two in this group, suru and kuru. Now that we're familiarized with the groupings of the verbs, we can now proceed to the conjugation of verbs. On this part we will be turning dictionary form to polite present affirmative or the Masu form of verb. In group 1, change u sound to corresponding e sound and add mas. If we look back in hiragana, the u line has a direct partner on e line. So in au becomes imas, in iku becomes ikimas, in hanasu becomes hanashimas, in nomu becomes nomimas, in tsukuru becomes tsukurimas. Next verb group, ending in iru and eru. Drop the final ru and add mas. So in taberu, becomes tabemas, in miru, becomes mimas. Last group is the irregular verbs. There are only two, suru and kuru. They don't follow a pattern, so you must memorize them. Suru becomes shimas, and kuru becomes kimas. Now, you learn how to conjugate the verb into its mas form. Practice takes time and you'll get it perfectly. After learning the polite present affirmative or the mas form, we will now proceed to the polite present negative or the masen. In turning a negative form, just replace mas to masen. So in kakimas it becomes kakimasen. Examples. In present polite affirmative, tegamio, kakimas, means, I write a letter. In present polite negative, tegamio, kakimasen, means, I do not write letters. And that's how you conjugate the verbs in Japanese. That is only the basic. I hope you learned something. Mastering is not instant and learning should be a habit. Every day is an experience, so make the most of it. Never stop learning, everyone. I hope to be helpful to someone. If you like more, you can like, subscribe, comment and follow so I can create more contents like this. Thank you for watching.